Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Thursday, and I hope you're all having a great week. Well, today we're going to be starting this one. It's called Winter Snow Scene, and we are going to be starting over in this tree right here, and the color is 988, and it's kind of a medium grass green, if you will. Yeah, so oh my goodness. And I have my little winter magnet there to hang on to everything. Get you up close so you can see what is going on. How's everybody doing? We are almost to the end of this week. Yeah, holy cow. Let me tell you. Yesterday was kind of slow and kind of quiet at work. Fortunately or unfortunately. All right, I'm back. I don't know, I had a loop there and I had to fix it. So yeah, it was kind of quiet, not real busy at all. So, and that road was finally open, but it didn't seem to make too much of a difference. So we got through it, and I came home and made my fish for dinner. And yeah, just kind of sat and vegged. In the morning, I did stitch on that beautiful winter house or home or whichever I call it. Just decided to start working a little bit on the peak of the house. So, yeah. So, got a little bit accomplished. Probably keep on it, working on it for a while. And I've got to run to the store today because I need a few things, and I have to go back to the dollar store and pick up that soap because yeah, I didn't make it there the rest of this week. Whoops, sorry. Get a little too close there. But yeah, I thought out of all of them, I wanted to start this. I think it's a beautiful picture. It's going to have lots and lots of back stitching, but you know, we'll just muddle through. I'm not worried about the back stitching right now. Just working on the cross stitch is going to be enough. It has several symbols in half cross stitch. That's up closer to the sky, and I don't know, it may be like sprinkled, sprinkled within, you know, because they do that sometimes. That one with the lady in the garden had half cross stitch, like just right in the middle of the whole thing. I don't know why or what the purpose of all that was, but it happens. So we'll just take it one section at a time and work through it. Where else I think I had to go? Well, my daughter and I are not getting together this week because she's a bit under the weather. So I need to call her today and see if there's anything I can take to her. So, yeah. But it seems she's had it for a few days. But, you know, like I said, I didn't talk to her all earlier in the week, so we'll see. So other than that, you know, it's just kind of getting kind of quiet, so it's supposed to be, we'll call it nice weather compared to totally bad weather that we had last week, wasn't it? Holy cow. Yeah. It's supposed to be in the 50s, and yesterday was like that as well. It had, a few gusts of wind, but nothing, you know, too carried away. So we'll see how that all pans out. So I may get time to stitch in my chair for a hot moment and look out the window at the blue sky. So we'll just play that by ear too. You know, it's going to be one of those weekends. Sure is a pretty color green once you get it all next to each other. I mean, it just looked like green to me. So, yeah. Still no idea what I'm gonna either start or work on Saturday for December Saturday stitching. I'll have to figure something out, I'm sure. So I don't know if that'll be a new start or not. We'll just kind of wait and see on that as well. But, you know, I just kind of want some stitching time and not doing anything too carried away. I thought when I went to the grocery store, I might pick up a roast and have roast and potato and carrots for dinner tonight. So I can put the roast in the crock pot and it will be done by about 6, sometimes 7. Just depends, you know, how much beef I put in there. Because I have been known, because they've been having sales, you know, buy one, get one. So I'd buy 2 roasts, basically, and cook them up, but they would take a little bit longer to cook, so I start them a little bit earlier. So it takes usually 8-9 hours, depending. And we're at high altitude, so sometimes it takes a bit longer to do that. But I wasn't even paying attention. I haven't been there yet, so I don't know if they have any specials on roast, being since it's Christmas, but more likely that there would be say a special on ham, and some people like to make turkey again, you know. Me, I'm about a one time a year person. But that's not to say that every once in a while I don't get one of those Hungry Man TV dinners if I really get hungry for turkey. It does absolve me from having to do the whole shebang. But I don't think I've cooked a turkey here, you know, a whole turkey, since I've been back from Kansas, so we'll see. And you know, when I was looking at Thanksgiving, you know, at the turkeys, I didn't even see many turkey breasts out. Because sometimes I'll just buy a turkey breast, because usually that's all the meat I like off of a turkey. And then, you know, if I cook a whole turkey, I will cut up all the meat and make a turkey tetrazzini, which I absolutely love. But it's one of those things you can't make too much of it because it doesn't freeze worth a darn. Nope. So I better hope I can eat it in a couple of days. So that's usually a kind of a small thing for me to make. And I don't even remember seeing any ground turkey this year. So, I don't know. And the kids, they cooked a full one. Because it just wasn't an option to do anything else, so. Not a clue. But I do miss, you know, making a whole turkey and having all those leftovers. I do like that. So, yeah. So, here's the question for the day. For Christmas, do you cook turkey, or what do you cook? Turkey, ham, or even roast beef. Heck, one year we had steak and shrimp, only because we lived on the Gulf and it was very inexpensive to get that shrimp. Whoops, wrong color. There's another. Why would you do that? Why, people? This is an upside down, what do you call it? Triangle. And it's in purple. But right in the middle of everything, there is a pink, about that shade, triangle, upside down. So I have no idea what color that's going to be. And it's kind of scattered up there a bit. So, yeah. At least it hasn't been terribly cold, and I don't have to go running all over. Now, tomorrow I'll have to go and do laundry, but that's usually, let's call it an hour and a half episode at the most. And I can sit in my car and what the heck? I'm going to have to turn that this way. I cannot tell the difference in those symbols. Sorry about that. So, anybody going anywhere this weekend? Gonna go do some fun or anything Christmassy? Just asking. I don't know if anybody's got any, you call it, decorations out yet or not. We had these I don't know what you'd call them. We'll call them boards for lack of, it's like a sign. They're signs, but they're probably 6 feet across and 4 feet up and down, and each one is individual, and they have all the different businesses in town. I don't know if they pay to have that kind of advertising, but they put them out every year, and when and if we get like a new company here in town, oh, for crying out loud, Laura Jean, a new business, they'll put a sign up for them with the name of their company, and then it says, they each say some kind of a Christmas greeting, that kind of thing. But they use them, and if they go out of business, they don't use that one. But yeah, they've been having those ever since my kids were, God, little. So they've changed the signs over the years, because some of them, these places are still in business from that point. But they've just gotten kind of old, so they were painting them for, my daughter said that when she was in high school, that was part of the art class that they had to help repaint these signs, so you know how old those were. So, yeah. But I've noticed they've gotten different graphics, if you will. And they started changing those out probably 2 or 3 years ago. So I think it's kind of nice. And they kind of line, there's a, we'll call it a road. It's actually a highway, but it's a 2-lane road. A road, and they line the beginning of coming in from one direction and the coming in from the other direction with all these signs of all the businesses there in town. So I think it's kind of a nice thing to do at Christmas. So, and I don't know if it's part of any club, like I want to say the Optimist Club or whatever, the Rotary Club or anything like that. I have no idea. They just appear every year around this time. You know, I think it's basically December. So, yeah. And I haven't been around the grandkids to know, you know, hey, are you working on this or that for that? But none of them are in high school old enough to be in charge of any of that, you know, because they're all just barely getting out of middle school and grade school. So we'll see. I should have a discussion with my oldest grandson because he's a freshman. So fun times. And I don't go down there at night, like into town usually, so I can't see if they've got they have these big huge snowflakes that they put on the street lights, like down closer in town, so I have no chance to see them as well. So, ouch. So, fun times. Alright, guys. I think, good gravy. I picked a really bad place to stitch. Only because it's in the middle of everything and it's so wide. But we'll continue on. Let me get this out of my, out of my freeway. I almost took the needle and everything else. We're having a day. Maybe I just need to sit down and have a cup of tea. And not even go anywhere. Oh my goodness. So we got that part. You can see where it's starting to take shape. I don't know how far it goes up. I really can't tell. It's all kind of, it's kind of confetti, but not horribly confetti. But just so much you can't see. I can tell that's a house, but there's some bushes right there. How's that? So see, it goes into that green, dark green. So we were over in here. So we'll see. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.